Hi guys! So, welcome sa aking channel. It's been a long time since the last time naggumawa ako ng art vlog. See, it's almost 10 months ago. And I really promised to myself na babalik ako sa passion ko right after the end of the school year. And ayun nga, people is on right timing kasi kamakailan lang may mga nag-message sa akin na to draw one of the members of BINI. Sa sobrang daming sinasuggest ng members sa akin, ayun, pumili lang ako ng dalawa, which are BINI Colette and BINI Mika. Hindi ko alam kung tama yung pronunciation ko, pero sila lang yung dalawang pinili ko. Then, ayun, wala nang patumpik-tumpik. And I posted the poll and waited for 24 hours for result. And as I expected, people chose BINI Mika. So, bago ko simulan ng process ng paggawa ng portrait ni BINI Mika, yun, I just wanna say thank you for those people na nag-subscribe sa channel ko and for those people na naka-appreciate sa portrait ni SB19 Pablo. Guys, if may sasuggest kayo for my next vlog, feel free to comment, and also if you want to watch my videos, you can hit the subscribe button and the notification bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload ko. Shit, daldal ko. Alam niyo guys, to be honest, kinakabahan ako kasi feeling ko hindi na ako marunong. Pero well, really good luck. I hope I get the results that I am expecting to. So, enjoy the process, guys. Yan. So, guys, ayan yung product ng sketching ko. And, ayun. Medyo nangamba ko kasi, ayun, hindi ko nakikita dito yung itsura ni Mika. Pero, ano naman ako magagawa? Sayang naman yung effort, diba?
I went from Sunday to Sunday at BNA on the runway. I took a meeting at 10 after 2, pull right up after the gun range. I got a circle they worry about that code, but clientele that working under the road to stay on the low. Me and my bro just linked up and went half on the coat. Hell nah, I can let up. Lately I been fed up. Too much talk around me, but the whole thing is set up. Everybody talk but don't do nothing but say they coming. I know you fun, I know you see me up 2,500, man, I got them press no push your button, no goddamn hot like a two-stove oven, turn all the way up, can't cool it for nothing. Catch me out on the north side doing numbers right in front of my whip, 2 doors up top off, stun like damn, I'm stunned like 215s in the back of my trunk, A16 when I knew what I want, by 23 had going up like. I went from Sunday to Sunday at BNA on the runway. I took a meeting at 10 after 2, pull right up after the gun range. I got a circle they worry about that code, but clientele that working under the road to stay on the low. Me and my bro just linked up and went half on the coat. Me and my bro just linked up, signed OP, just inked up. Big old check, big old buzz, brand new whip, windows up, 10 toes down, get no fuck. By that shit came out of the mud, never been luck, been had skill, been had drive, hands on wheel. I am not at all concerned about a dollar, I could burn it to a check into a bigger check. A lot of talking from a lot of people that they never did it, then they get them out of debt instead of in the debt. I could've kept it 9 to 5, but I ain't even like the job, cause I wasn't trying to work for nobody else. I let you been through it down from the minute I was down, nigga, and it make it happen on the internet. Now I work from Sunday to Sunday at BNA on the runway. I took a meeting at 10 after 2, pull right up after the gun range. I got a circle they worry about that code, but clientele that working under the road to stay on the low. Me and my bro just linked up and went half on the coat. 5 video shoots, all in a week's work.
Can he get off of the bus? 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 Diamond!
As usual, I took almost 10 hours just to finish this artwork. Though I am not that satisfied to the result, I am still happy doing these things again. Thank you so much guys for suggestions and for staying to this channel. There's still a lot of things to improve, but I hope on behalf of me, you enjoy the process as much as I do. Bye.